morning. Welcome back to our English class. So, my dear students, in the previous class we have discussed the listening, and before previous class we have completed the question answers. So, what else is there to complete our work? Tell me. Enough, teacher. This is enough for us. Stop it. We can't listen. This is your feelings, na? So, not like that. So, today we are going to listen speaking. Sorry, today we are going to discuss speaking. What is there in the speaking? Speaking is now we are discussing. That is not the speaking. Here they have given about the future tense. What is future tense? Tell me. Now I will ask you a question. Now you have to tell me the answers in future tense. Okay. So tomorrow, which color dress you are going to wear? Tell me now. What do you want to answer? Blue dress, red dress. In this way you will say no. No. Then what you have to say? Tomorrow I am going to wear blue dress. Okay, this is one example. And one more. Tomorrow where you want to visit? Otherwise, are you going anywhere tomorrow? This is my question. So in what way you will answer? To my aunt's house. Otherwise, to my grandmother's house. You will answer in this way, na? No. What you have to answer? Tomorrow I am going to visit my grandparents' house. Otherwise, tomorrow I am going to visit my aunt's house. In this way you have to use. Now here going to is using in all the sentence, isn't it? Have you observed that? We are speaking about going to. What is going to? When we will use the going to here, tell me. Going to is nothing but which we are going to imagine that before the day. For example, now in future time, think that future. We just imagine that what is future, then we are using going to. Now I said which color dress you want to wear tomorrow. Then what you are saying? I am going to wear blue color dress. So going to we are using. So in this way today we are going to discuss about the going to. Where we use going to, let us see in the class. Okay. So now take your textbooks and open page number 23. Shall we start now? Read the following sentence. So here they have given few sentences. Now we have to read them and we have to observe what's there in the sentences. So the first sentence, what else are you going to teach us? What else are you going to teach us? Means here what is that? What else are you going to teach us? So still what is there to teach us? This is the way. Now the second one, what are you going to do? Do she did that work? No. What she is going to do? She did not complete, not only she is doing now. What she is going to do. So the question is, what are you going to do? So now here we use going to say that we plan to do something in the near future. So here this going to is using in where? To plan something in near future. Near future is nothing but for 2-3 days. Otherwise for a week. Isn't it? In this way, not for years, only in a week. Otherwise in a few days. So this is a near future. When we are using, now tell me, when we are using going to, when to do something in a near future. For example, now if your friend's birthday is there, then how you are going to plan? Just now I used going to here. How you are going to plan? Have you planned there? No. Are you planning now? No. Then what you are doing? Going to plan means you are going to discuss about the birthday party's plan. So this going to we are using near to the future. Okay. Now see here in the page number 24. Here one boy and one girl. Both are talking about the going to. How they are talking? Let us see. Talk to your partner about your plans for the weekend. So what you have to do now here? You have to discuss with your friend about a weekend. For example, weekends. What are weekends means? What you will do? Only play? No. Then what you have to do? Sometimes you want to help your parents. Otherwise you want to visit your grandparents' home. Otherwise you want to visit somewhere. Otherwise you want to do any activities. In this way, we did not complete, not as now we are doing. So we are going to do that one. Okay. See here the boy is saying to the girl, I am going to help my mother in what that boy is going to do? I am going to help my mother in watering plants. So he want to help his mother in watering the plants. So what he is saying? I am going to help my mother, not going now. In future he will do. Here the girl is saying, I am going to help my sister with her project. So what she is going to do? She is going to help her sister in doing project. So we also use going to when we guess what will happen in the future. So just now I have said na imagination, guessing. If cloudy day is there, it may not rain, but we will guess that it may rain here. In this way, this is the guessing. Now here again two sentences they have given. She is going to be the next prime minister. She did not become a prime minister. Not now she is going to become. She will be become. So she is going to be the next prime minister. Second one, my sister is going to pass with 90 marks, 90% marks. Do she pass? No. Do she passing now? No. She will pass. So what's the second one? My sister is going to pass with 90% marks. Here see they have given some work to you. You people have to do that. B. Play a guessing game with your partner about. Now your partners are not there. Now you are unable to come to school, no? So you have to take the help of your elder sisters or elder brothers. Okay. What game you have to play here? A guessing game. So three types of sentences. For that you have to guess the answers. Okay. The first one, what you will have in your lunch box tomorrow. What you will have in your lunch box tomorrow. So what you have to say? I am going to bring idli in my lunch box. Otherwise biryani in your lunch box. In this way, in such types of answers you have to discuss with. You have to guess and you have to talk. You have to discuss with your partners. Second one, the weather tomorrow. About the weather, just now I have said today is the cloudy day. It may rain, it may not rain. So you have to guess the answer and you have to discuss it. Third one, the person who will be the next captain of your school cricket team. So the now when we are playing cricket, for example, today I am there. You have to guess tomorrow who is going to be the captain in the match. Okay. So this is our speaking skills. Okay. Have you understood now? Have you understood? Children, now we have completed the speaking skills. So now what you have to do? I have given you the homework. Don't forget. Okay. You have to discuss. You have to guess the answers. Just now whatever I have read the questions. Okay. Complete the work. And here in the next class we are going to discuss the grammar. What is there in that? What. See now I have used the what, where, how. In this way some questions are there. And we are going to know where we are using that type of. For example, now how we are going to use. Sorry, just I only said that. So where we are going to use how, where we are going to use where we are going to use what. In this way, we are going to discuss the grammar. Okay. In the next class, we shall discuss the grammar. Until then, complete your work and be ready for another video. Okay. And what you have to do? You have to be prepared and be safe. Okay. Till then.